Isthmus Engineering and Manufacturing, based in Madison, Wisconsin, designs custom automation solutions for diverse industries. After 2 decades of relying on Epicor ERP to manage engineering releases, procurement, project tracking, and accounting, the company recognized the need to modernize its infrastructure and fully leverage its ERP investment. Despite using Epicor ERP for more than 20 years, Isthmus Engineering had not fully tapped into its capabilities. Many critical processes such as engineering releases, project tracking, and reporting were still handled manually or outside the system, which limited visibility and created inefficiencies. Their on-premise Nutanix infrastructure was aging and required significant maintenance, making it difficult to scale or adapt to evolving business needs. Disconnected workflows across procurement and project management further compounded operational bottlenecks. Without a strategic IT roadmap, the company struggled to align technology investments with long-term goals. As their technological demands grew, Isthmus recognized the need for a managed service provider who could support their modernization efforts and guide them towards a more agile, cloud-based future. To address its operational challenges, Isthmus Engineering partnered with 2W Tech for a comprehensive transformation across both ERP and IT infrastructure.
I think the fact that we had already established a relationship with 2W Tech on our Epicor needs gave us some trust that they would do a good job for our MSP needs as well.
We wanted an IT provider that could help our company step forward with technology versus just stay status quo, a great one-stop shop for all of our IT and Epicor needs.
The engagement began with a business process review, which revealed opportunities to optimize Epicor usage and modernize their technology strategy. 2W Tech guided Isthmus through an upgrade to Epicor Kinetic 2024.2.12 and a migration to a cloud-based SaaS environment, reducing downtime, improving scalability, and enhancing system reliability.
I'd say it's working quite well for us. We have not really fully benefited from the features in the ERP, and it was just recently 2W Tech that kind of pushed back on us for doing things back office, as they would call it, and I tried to use the system more to its full potential.
To further streamline operations, the team implemented dashboards, BAQs, and project tracking tools that improved procurement, manufacturing, and accounting workflows. Epicor's percentage of completion feature was also leveraged to bring greater transparency to financial reporting and cost management. On the IT side, 2W Tech developed a strategic roadmap to transition Isthmus from its aging Nutanix infrastructure to a hybrid cloud environment powered by Microsoft Azure.
2W brought to us a good competitive advantage in developing a roadmap for us to take us away from the on-premise devices that we have to pay for and maintain here on site and start moving towards the cloud.
They deployed Microsoft Defender and Azure Sentinel to strengthen cybersecurity and introduced hook security training to reduce human risk. To support global and remote employees, 2W Tech provided 24/7 managed IT services, including a dedicated client success manager to ensure proactive support and issue resolution.
There's been cases where we have users off-site or overseas. They run into an issue where they're either locked out of a computer or having trouble accessing, and we've been able to resolve their issue. Having a CSM, somebody you know and that you can reach out directly to if you have any questions or concerns, or if something's not getting addressed, she's my direct point of contact for escalating anything that we may need escalated.
Overall, the partnership with 2W Tech has transformed operations at Isthmus Engineering. Migrating to Epicor Kinetic and cloud hosting significantly reduced system downtime and improved access to real-time data, empowering faster decision-making across teams. Procurement and manufacturing now operate with greater visibility through personalized dashboards and BAQs, while the finance team benefits from simplified, more accurate reporting using percentage of completion tracking. On the IT front, 2W Tech's strategic roadmap and managed services helped Isthmus reduce hardware costs, enhance system reliability, and prepare for future growth. Their hybrid Azure environment, combined with proactive cybersecurity measures like Microsoft Defender and Azure Sentinel, has strengthened security without compromising agility. With 24/7 support and a dedicated client success manager, Isthmus now enjoys responsive service and a technology partner who understands the nuances of manufacturing. The team describes the relationship as a true partnership, one that continues to evolve alongside their business.